ki kes ki bathamai ki bangiyo mentakasi ki long shispa arfulai iway na East Garo Hills iway na po East Jaintia Hills New Khandai po East Khasi Hills Lai po North Garo Hills Phra po Ribhoi Khatsao po South Garo Hills Nriu po South West Khasi Hills New po West Garo Hills Lai po West Jaintia Hills but iway po West Khasi Hills kes ki balong active menta kilong paro kelum lang kilong hajar lai spa nruf khandai si hajar nruf spa nyau ko kidan po East Khasi Hills life nreu gidai na ki armed forces paramilitary forces but si hajar nruf spa lai pusau na ki way nreu gidan po West Khasi Hills arfulai po South West Khasi Hills arspa khandai pu po Ribhoi South Sun gidan po kidai gid po ki armed forces paramilitary forces but arspa safunyo kidai na kiway West Jaintia Hills South South East Jaintia Hills Laifun Rio West Garo Hills Shispa Khandai Po South Huay kidai ki armed forces paramilitary forces but Shispa South Khandai kidai na kiway Southwest Garo Hills South Huay South Garo Hills Arfun Rio East Garo Hills Arfo North Garo Hills Arfuay kiba la recover benta kasi kiba thamai gilong shispa lai fufra but sau kidai na po East Jaintia Hills shispa kidai na po East Khasi Hills Phra kidai na Ribhoi iway na South Garo Hills Khandriu na West Garo Hills iway na po West Jaintia Hills but Nriu na po West Khasi Hills ki kes shispa flying ut ki bangiyo ki bathamai to break up kalong kumne East Garo Hills iway idai high risk case East Jaintia Hills iway idai high risk case East Khasi Hills New Khandai na po nakini ki New Khandai San gidai na po Bishnupur cluster iway di health worker iway na po Gulf Links cluster ki high risk gidai Sanfulai ILI case R Jaya cluster R Laban cluster iway Madan Riting cluster Lai Maukar cluster iway Maulai Nonglom cluster iway Maupram cluster iway Oakland cluster iway Police iway Pulo cluster iway Renja cluster Lai Umpling cluster R North Garo Hills Lai Health worker iway high risk R Ribhoi Phra high risk New returnee iway South Garo Hills Khatsao Baro kidiki high risk Southwest Khasi Hills Nriu kidiki high risk West Garo Hills New health worker iway high risk Lai ILI case iway returnee R West Jaintia Hills Lai returnee iway high risk R West Khasi Hills iway they high risk kidon gibade ki staff na po health engineering wing kidon ki staff na po NHM kidon ki staff gibade na po DHSMI Civil Hospital Family Health Welfare Training School Patarim Sao Soyong Laj Maupen Pokse Nipko Pokte Nriu Mile East Khasi Hills Mission Compound Hadin Pet Lan Open Penusla Barik Compound Nong Siliang Sao Soyong Nong Khairim Mauring Keneng Napo Nia Beaver Road Mau Shabut Lomding Jiri Nong Mensong Jiri ngatai kata nom kran palat su namai ladap ongi mai mo takada bila declare itu ke micro containment zone ini high risk case high risk case menin Minister Imdan di sini. Thì ngon ông in mi na yeng in rung ha yeng ru ông no Imdan sini dan sebar. Di wan fai tinggal ndala ada laput ke kontinen ti larung. Tiki-tiki wei berkhot ngil ada tes di most likely ngem pat ngidang le contact tracing nang nui yo mo. Ladap le test kilong negatif tama ki have isolate pada nama katu lade you have isolate. Ladap le test so. Mendin hi negative ho. Tama dah have isolate hi nama ba ngin hapet yo ki develop symptoms dah hadin ngintip mo. Ini ru ilong asymptomatic mild symptoms only. When that statement came out yesterday, I was thinking that the learned director of NEGRIMS would have realized his folly and would have given a statement, a correct statement today, if he has been told to give any statement in the press with matters relating to the state government, which he does not have any mandate to make such statements. He is not inside the government circle here in the state government. He has no mandate. I thought that he will realize that folly and retract that statement today, but I think it never came out, that statement. Now, one have to clearly understand. It is not antibody testing that we are doing at the entry point. That is long gone. One should realize that what we are doing now is the antigen testing. And when we say antigen, it is not that we are looking after antibodies when we test anybody. We are looking after the antigen that comes direct from the virus. And so far at the entry points, I think we have done a lot, about more than 17,000 tests, antigen tests for entrance. That we started right from 13th of August. This is antigen, not antibody. But I think I saw in the statement he said that when we do the tests, antibodies appear very late. That is very correct, but we are not testing antibodies, we are testing antigen. So once again, I will say that we are doing antigen. And the protocol is very clear for us. And this is also a screening test which is specific, which is sensitive, which is fast, and people get their reports immediately. And the protocol is very, very clear. Kalong very clear protocol. When people come in, we test with antigen. If they are negative, we are telling them to isolate. Now, I have told many times that people have to be responsible. When we tell them to isolate, quarantine means we tell them to quarantine for 10 days. With an advice, and of course, follow-up is always there from the health department for these people who enter the state, that if there are any symptoms, they are to report immediately. And people with symptoms, who come later with symptoms, after testing with antigen, they are negative, they complain of symptoms, we do with RT-PCR. And with that RT-PCR, which is a golden test, it will confirm whether they are positive or not. Out of the 17,000 entrants who have entered so far, we got about, say, more than 400, about 400 plus, who had symptoms. Okay, tested with RT-PCR, and they were found to be positive. And accordingly, through the protocols, we follow up these particular patients. Other patients, high risk and all, which we have done with antigen, containment zones, then all these clusters which we are doing, more than 68,000. Altogether, both entry and this containment zones, high risk, we have done, I think, more than 70,000. And out of the 68,000 which we have done for others, we have got about 1,600 who have turned out to be positive, 1,600 plus. And accordingly, we have isolated them, provided the treatment wherever treatment is available, and made all the follow-ups. And together now, both entry and these containment zones, clusters, we have tested about more than 71,000. And altogether, who have turned out positive here is about 2,000 plus only. And from there, we can get a positivity rate of about 3%, 3% only. Now, when the director of NIGRIMS has said that we are testing antibodies, that is being refuted. It is not antibodies that we are testing. It is antigen. It is cost effective for us. We follow up with RT-PCR wherever is needed. NIGRIMS also is doing. They are following it up with RT-PCR also. It's the same test. So I think saying that there is a wasteful expenditure, that is totally wrong. And I once again reiterate, he has got no mandate to comment on the policy decision of the state government. And such type of statements which he has given is being lapped up by people who I know very well they know. They are in the know. They think that they are in the know of COVID-19. But at the same time, thriving on negativity. They show that they do not know what they know. And that thriving on that negativity, they lead people to confusion. Instead of enlightening the people about the projection or asking for clarification here when we have the press briefing, some of the people also have gone up and say that this should have been discussed a long time with so many other stakeholders, and again have referred to antibodies. Once again I say that we are not testing antibodies. This is a rapid antigen test. And instead of enlightening, what they have done through the negative statements, they have darkened what is supposed to be enlightened. And that darkening was supposed to bring about confusion. But let me say it very clear that the state government is not in confusion, and nobody can bring about any statements which will lead us to confusion. We are enlightening the people every day through every press briefing about COVID-19. We know that it's a new virus, it's evolving. Yes, previously when we were starting, it was RT-PCR, then we had antibodies at that time, but that is long gone now with antibodies. Antibodies we will do only for people to know the antibody status, whether they have contracted the infection or not. Now once again I will say that we are doing antigen tests. So there is no confusion here, and people should not be confused, should not be misled by anything which is darkening the whole area of COVID. But we would like to appeal to all that enlighten the people. That is our responsibility. Not thrive on negativity, and through negativity you will bring about reports which is a confusion. And I think I will say again, people who know, who pretend that they don't know and try to bring that know otherwise to other people, that is totally wrong.